Let's see how to take the enema clamp off the enema hose. Once you want to take the enema clamp out, open the clamp, spread it out a couple of times. This makes sure that the openings are widened. Once you do that, lift the tube up from the center. This will make it easy for the tube ends to come off. Just slightly make it a loop. This will help the ends come out easily. Once you do that, start from the open end and just push the end through the opening. Once you do that, one of the ends comes off. And now push it out to take out the end through the other opening. It's fairly easy and it just requires a slight push, maybe at an angle, but you should be able to get it out. That's it. You're done.